Coach Nate here. Today, we're firing up the core, glutes, and hips with a quick but powerful 5-minute routine designed to wake up your body and improve flexibility. If you feel tight, stiff, or sluggish in the mornings, this routine is for you. You're in the right place. No equipment is needed, just your mat and a willingness to move. This routine is built for efficiency, hitting core engagement, hip mobility, and lower body strength in just 5 minutes. Most people hit snooze and skip this, but not you. You've made it here, and you showed up, and that's what separates you from the rest. By the end of the session, I promise you feel stronger, more mobile, and ready to take on the day. Let's get straight into it and hit the mat. First, we're waking up the core and stabilizers with bird dog. Start in tabletop position, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Engage your core and extend your right arm and left leg straight out. Hold for a second, keeping your spine neutral. Slowly return to starting position and repeat. This movement activates the deep core muscles, improves balance, and strengthens the lower back, reducing the risk of stiffness and injury. Beginners can keep their hands on the ground and only extend the leg. Advanced stretches can add a slow crunch, bringing your elbow to your knee before extending again. Now, let's switch sides to balance things out. Time to engage the other side and complete the movement for core stability. Stay in tabletop position, core tight, extend your left arm and right leg straight out. Hold for a second, keeping your hips level. Slowly return to the starting position and repeat. This movement builds spinal stability, strengthens the core, and improves posture, making it an essential move for long-term mobility. Keep both hands on the ground and only extend the leg. Advanced stretches, close your eyes for an added balance challenge. Now, let's fire up those glutes with fire hydrants. Now we're focusing on hip abductors and glute activation with this powerful move. Stay in tabletop position, keep your core tight and spine neutral. Lift your right knee out to the side, keeping it bent at 90 degrees. Lower back down with control and repeat. Fire hydrants wake up the glutes, improve hip mobility, and strengthen the lower body, helping to counteract tight hips from sitting too much. Beginners keep the movement small and controlled. Advanced stretches add a resistance band for extra intensity. Let's even things out with the left side. Time to engage the left side for a balanced lower body activation. Stay in tabletop position, hands firmly grounded. Lift your left knee out to the side, keeping it bent at 90 degrees. Lower back down with control and repeat. This move activates the glutes, strengthens the hips, and improves mobility, key for better squats, lunges, and everyday movement. Beginners, move slowly and focus on control. Advanced stretches, extend your legs straight out after lifting for an extra challenge. Now let's open up the hips and strengthen the glutes with glute bridges. Now we're ending strong with a full lower body activation. Lie on your back, feet hip width apart. Press your heels into the floor and lift your hips toward the sky. Hold for a second at the top, squeezing your glutes. Lower back down slowly and repeat. Glute bridges activate the posterior chain, improving hip flexibility, core strength, and lower back support. Beginners perform the movement slowly, focusing on glute engagement. Advanced stretches, hold the top position for 5 seconds on each rep or place a weight on your hips. Take a deep breath, relax, and bring your knees to your chest for a quick reset. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.